In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Sheets as an Excel file. Whether you're transitioning from one platform to another or need to send a spreadsheet in a format someone else can open easily, converting Google Sheets to Excel is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps to make this transition as smooth and seamless as possible. First, you'll want to head over to Google Sheets. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google Sheets by simply typing Google Sheets into the search bar. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. It's important to be logged in to access all your Google Sheets documents. Once you've signed in, you'll see a list of your recent spreadsheets. Look through your files and click on the spreadsheet that you'd like to convert to an Excel format. The document will open in your browser, and you'll be able to view all your data just as you last saved it. With your chosen document open, you'll need to locate the File menu option at the top left corner of the screen. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will appear. You'll see a range of options, but don't worry. It's easy to find what you need. Simply hover your mouse over the option that says Download to see more file format choices. Among those choices, select Microsoft Excel, Part XLSX. Click on this option, and your document will begin to download in Excel format. Depending on your browser settings, the file may automatically save to your default Downloads folder, or you might need to choose a location on your computer where you want to save it. Once the download is complete, locate the file on your computer. If you're using a Windows PC, it's likely in your Downloads folder, unless you've selected a different location. Double-click the downloaded file to open it in Microsoft Excel. Your Google Sheet data should now be beautifully displayed and ready to use in Excel. And that's it. You've successfully converted a Google Sheets document to an Excel file. This process is not only simple, but also ensures that your spreadsheet retains all its essential formatting and data. Whether you need this for work, school, or personal use, you now have a powerful method to bridge the gap between Google Sheets and Excel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.